Good evening, all.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, good evening. See, morning we were discussing about some questions. No? See, morning, the last problem. Always remember any integration is there here. Suppose this is some x dx. Now if you observe that, how to integrate this?
Root a square plus x square equal
You
to
have
y
to
square.
check up how do you get idea? I mean, derivative of this is this, no? Suppose if it is cube here, you can take square here. Derivative
Square equal
square should have. So observe that way. Suppose here high mostly we come across this only. If you take that, so whatever is there within the square root, take that as z square. Okay? Agree or not? Now this will be
yes.
0 plus 2x dx by dz. This is 2z. These two will get cancelled. X dx equals z dz. So after that, this x dx you keep z dz by root over z square. So that will be giving you z by z. That is nothing but dz. You will get z. This is nothing but a square plus x square. Understood this or not?
Yes, sir.
Follow this?
Yes, sir.
Understood this? This is what
Yes,
we
sir.
got morning. No?
Yes, sir.
So
Understood.
this integration you followed now clearly.
Yes, sir. Followed.
So next. So here morning we have seen that there is a sheet of charge. The net electric field is this side. You have seen, remember this?
Yes, sir.
Now this is the force. So this force we have seen that agreed. So this is nothing but agreed.
Yes, sir.
Till here any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir.
After that, do you agree with this? So here the velocity is 0. This you got. Do you agree with this? This is nothing but what you got is so this gives you, 2 will get cancelled. So this will get cancelled. So you'll get V equals E sigma. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Can you set up previous statements?
Completed?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
It is in continuation to morning class. We are done here.
Yeah.
Shall I turn this?
Last line, sir. 1 minute. Done, sir.
The previous page is nothing but that integral part only explained. Understood this?
Yes.
Abra,
Yes, sir. Understood.
shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completed.
1 minute. Done, sir.
Right. See, suppose there is a ring like this. So the ring is such that the quarter part is positive, the remaining is negative. Means there is a positive charge on this along this ring. This is a negative. This is the center C. The radius is R. Okay. So now this is total charge is plus Q. Plus Q. See here, you think only about this. What is the electric field for this part? It will be along the bisector, no? Remember?
Yes, sir. Agreed.
What is E1? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught.
Sine 5 by 2.
Agreed? Sine. Remember this or not?
Yes, I remember.
Remember.
Similarly, due to this negative charge, so this will be this side. Again, this is 45 degrees. This is 45 degrees. Magnitude wise, both are same only. Agree? Now, you can resolve this. Say this is some E. Then you can see you are having E cos 45, E sin 45. This is E cos 45, E sin 45. These two will get cancelled now. So what is the net field? Along which direction? Do you agree with this?
Agreed, sir.
It will be R square, I think. See? Followed this?
Followed, sir.
Completed?
1 minute,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right.
1 minute.
1 minute, sir.
Fast. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Should tell now, man. I'll be waiting. No?
No, sir. Just completed. That's all.
See here, every material can sustain certain electric field. For example, this is one sphere. I am giving charge onto this. Whenever we give a charge on this, there will be electric field surrounding away like this. This is the electric field. Now this is the medium. What does the medium consists of? Medium consists of
Right.
atoms or molecules. So here, as you have seen, the negative charge will be shifting opposite to the electric field now. That means the medium gets polarized. Goes on, all the entire medium will be polarized like this. Polarization means all negatives will be nearer. Previously, the negative center coincides with positive center. Now, such a coincidence is not possible. So, like this, it happens. Now, what happens as the charge on sphere or body? So, this is Q. What will increase? What will increase?
Electric field. The polarization of the field.
Followed by charge Q.
Okay, at some what will happen? Or ripped. Understood this? So we call this
Means positive charge is lost and negative charge is gained, no sir?
it is not gain, man. They are neutralized. Where is the gaining here again? These electrons, use your mind, when electrons recombine here, where is the gaining again? Negative, positive will get neutralized.
Okay, sir, understood.
You see, don't think physics is something, it's a practical subject, man. You people are unnecessarily complicating things. Imagine, see, somebody is pulling you go on like this. Okay? At one stage, the electrons will come out. This free electron will be tempted to get towards the positive. It will recombine. So the charge on this will become lesser.
Yes, sir, understood. Sir.
So, finished this.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
When a free electron combines with positive charge, what will happen?
Neutralization.
That I know that you are giving one English name. What will happen?
The electrons and the positive charge will combine.
What will happen? That only. I am saying that only. What happens? What is the consequence of that?
Loss of the charge density.
What is loss of charge? Then what happens?
And
Hopeless fellows.
Energy will be
Electron
released.
come. Energy will be released. This energy releases. That's the reason why here you can see. Shall I turn this?
yes, sir, completely.
Yes, sir.
See, clouds are there, no? The clouds, they rub each other when they come nearer. You can see that's why just before rain, you'll be seeing the clouds. The clouds coming move together, they rub each other, thereby they get charged. Okay, now what happens is the electric field is generated between the earth and the clouds. This electric field is increased at some stage. That means the more friction is there, that means the clouds rub better, more charge is transferred, they get charged. Thereby, this will be ionized. When you ionize, what will happen? There will be ions. Polarization will take place. As the electric field is increased, these negative charges will go and combine. When they combine, energy is released. That is what you see as lightning and thunder, no? That
Yes,
is
sir.
where from that lightning come. Anybody is going and lighting a matchstick over there. This is because the electric field between the clouds and the earth will ionize the air in between. When the ionization is stronger, the electrons are ripped off from the air atoms or molecules of the air. These electrons will be joining or neutralizing the charge on the clouds. So when the neutralized energy is released, this energy is only nothing but lightning or thunder. Understood this story?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
The problem is you never thought why this happens. That is the main problem. Lightning you're seeing from childhood. Why it happens? What is the story you learned about that at least? Schools, nothing you learned? Hmm?
No, sir.
Hmm. Then what did you do man during schooling all these years? Followed this?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Wait 1 second, wait. See, actually, air is a bad conductor of electricity. But however, as you are going on increasing the electric field, definitely at one stage the electrons will be removed. Okay, so the maximum without dielectric strength, understood this?
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
For air, so for example, Understood this? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One centimeter means what is E on the surface? You're giving a charge here. What is the electric field here? So the understood this or not?
Understood, sir.
This is 9 into 10 power 9. Agreed. So the maximum charge it can hold is how much? Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Should I turn this?
1
Yes,
minute,
sir.
sir.
Write fast and all negative points only. Understanding slow, writing slow. Completed?
1 minute, sir. Completed, sir.
In lightning, what will happen? Okay.
Yes, sir.
between cloud and earth. Okay. What will happen?
The air gets polarized. Sir, it gets ionized or polarized.
Hmm?
The air, it gets ionized or polarized, sir.
Which one?
Air, sir. Air. When the clouds recombine.
When ionization will take place, man? You brainless fellas, why did you choose these professions, man? I told you this is polarization. As the strength goes on increasing, the electrons will come out. That is ionization, na?
Yes, yes,
You
sir.
will never get ionization without polarization. Ionization means the field has reached its maximum value. Again, why do you talk about polarization? Initially, polarization will take place. As the charge increases, the pull will be more. Understood this?
Understood, sir. Understood. Right.
No, that's right. Use your logic, man. God has gifted you with such an excellent brain. Why you people are not using that? So here, the electric field, as the clouds rub each other, charge will be accumulated. As the charge developed is more, what will happen? Electric field will be more. That means the electric field tries to pull the electrons from the atoms of the air. So initially they won't come. So they will be trying to come to the edge. That is polarization. After that they get ripped off.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Now, physics is nothing but just common sense. If people are just not using brain, you're just mugging up. That is the problem. Think. Everywhere physics is there, man. The problem is we don't think. For example, now during COVID situation, we are all using oximeters now to measure the level of oxygen.
Yes, sir.
How does an oximeter function? See that
Then,
machine you purchase, keep it to a finger, that reading. Even a dog can do that job, man. A villager can do. Then what is the purpose of ourselves claiming that we know science? Living in cities, having a very good life compared to the villagers, we and them are same. I don't find any difference. What is the use of that? You should think, no? That is what a child needs. Not that marks or some formulas. What will get with that? Tell me, you want to tell something? Somebody? See, this is your finger. You'll keep your oximeter here. If you see, the oximeter sends light. That is, electromagnetic light waves will be sent. That passes through your finger blood. Okay. So the blood will be absorbing this light energy. In doing so, the intensity will decrease. Suppose this is I, this will be I by something. So the intensity decrease is a measure of amount of oxygen. The more the oxygen, then the intensity decrease will be lesser. So that is how we measure. So these are the principles of that. Blood absorbs light energy, right? So using that, what we can do? What does blood have? So instead of reading all that, we concluded because we don't have brains, we conclude that we don't require that. Finally, physics has become not required, it seems. So like that everywhere, think logically. How lightning comes, now you understood at least?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everywhere you have physics men. So now you understood what is dielectric strength of the medium. Dielectric strength of the medium is the maximum electric field it can sustain without getting ionized. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood. One minute, sir.
You were suddenly sleeping all this time. Or see, this is a conducting shell. If we don't take this extra class, I'll finish the syllabus, but what you can do, nothing, I know that. Somehow, there's a lot of problem. This is a conducting sphere. Don't say online classes. World over classes are online only. Even medical college also now online. They are studying now. Last year you lived with that only. Online classes we find difficult. Okay. Now come back to this is a conducting sphere. Okay. Now you can see that this is A, this is B. Agreed?
Agreed, sir.
Now understood this?
Understood,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now when you give a charge Q, can you tell where does it reside?
The outer surface.
That means recognize that as you have learned in a conductor any charge is given. Where does it go?
Outer surface.
On outer surface.
Outside the
So
surface.
this is plus Q. Agreed. That means there won't be any charge inside this.
Agreed, sir.
Inner surface there is no charge. Now here, agreed. Here
Agreed.
so entire charge Do you agree with this? Now what we are doing, we are keeping on here we are keeping what? A charge Q. Whenever a charge Q is placed, what will be induced here? Opposite sign will be changed, no?
Yes, sir.
What is this induced charge, no? How much is that? For a conductor, what is K? Remember this?
Yes, sir. Remember.
That means on the inner surface you have minus Q. Now the sphere as such is neutral, no? When all minus Q comes here, what will be left over here? Plus Q, no? In a
Yes.
body, one side minus Q is there. Total body is as such neutral only, no? So, see,
Yes, sir.
all the molecules come like this. I told you that only, no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Means this is what will happen, man. Negative, positive, negative, positive. This will club up. So this side negative will be there. See, starting from inner to outer, this is the situation. All negatives will be there. This is the positive, positive, negative, positive. Now they will be recombining. So what is left in the extreme? Negative. What is left here? Positive.
Positive.
Positive. Total
That
neutral.
means already there is again plus Q. That means finally what you can conclude on the inner surface what you have? On the inner surface you have minus Q. On the outer surface you have Q
Plus
plus
Q.
Q.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Agreed. So I can say that what is the charge on the inner surface?
Minus K.
So we have, is asking the surface charge density, no? So what is the sigma inner surface minus Q by, and on the outer surface, what is the total charge?
Q plus capital.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Without this charge, you have only this one. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
What is that, sir? After conducting sphere, the first line. Sir,
Hmm?
what is that after conducting sphere, sir, in the first line?
Carries.
Carries. Why am I in between
Yes,
and
sir.
going anywhere?
No, sir, got disconnected.
Completed, sir.
1 minute, sir. Done, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Right. So you have seen that an electric field intensity So these are the two things we have seen. It can be visualized See, this is only visualization. See, for example, you have seen many visualizations earlier also. If I look at this, you say smiling. Actually, if you look at draw like this, you say it is frowning. It's only visualization. There is no person available here.
Sir, your
But it
voice is
gives
somewhat
a
breaking.
message. It gives us only the message that he is smiling, he is frowning. This is what we can infer. In reality, there is no person over here. Okay, you cannot see any person really. So electric lines, now it is clear voice.
Yes, sir.
So here you can see that there is no lines of force present. They are hypothetical only. Okay, so similarly we can say that the lines of force is an imaginary concept to visualize the electric field pattern. Due to some charge distribution. Understood this? So, shall I turn this?
1 minute. Completed, sir.
Suppose there are some field lines like this. They are the lines of force. Now, what information you can get from this is, see, draw one area like this. Take one area. This is the area okay.
Yes.
Now the number of say the area is so suppose there are number of lines of force. How many are there? By area. Okay. For this
Yes, sir.
gives magnitude of electric field. Understood this? And see, I want to know the direction here. Just draw one tangent. So tangent at A direction of what? Electric field. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
See, for example, I want to know here at this point the electric field. What I do is I take some area here. The area is A1. Electric field at B is how many lines are there?
1.
1 by A1. Why? Since understood this? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then how do you get the direction? Is just draw one tangent. Okay, this is the direction at B. You're able to understand this?
Yes, sir.
Now suppose we need electric field at some point, say here, for example. Draw one, take any area which is perpendicular to this. Okay, so how do you find the magnitude? Only two lines by 8. Agreed?
How are many areas we can draw as above which circle, sir?
It's
Area of
surrounding
circle.
that point you have to draw. Any area, not only circle, any area. So, where at any point where you need the electric field, consider some area which is perpendicular to the lines of force at that point. Understood this? Now, number of lines of force that pass through the area by that area gives the magnitude. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Understood, sir.
See, it's like a measurement, man. Why they have taken means all scientists thought how to measure electric field using lines of force. Just like during childhood, this so-and-so drawing star stands for A, this is for B, this is for C, we learn, no? So similarly, there are some hypothetical concepts called electric field lines. Now from the field lines, what information can be extracted? At any point, you want to know the electric field. Draw one area perpendicular to that lines of force at that point. The number of lines of force that cause that area by that area gives the magnitude.
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, got sir.
Shall I turn this?
Sir.
Is it
1 minute.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Sir, clear, sir.
It need not be circle, any area.
Understood, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir. Done, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
So here, what we should do?
Consider any surrounding.
Any area.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then the magnitude understood this?
Yes, sir.
Now, what you will do now when I explain this, you will be absent-minded, you will neglect. There is one chapter on these two lines called Gauss's law. One complete chapter is based on these two lines. Every word in physics has a utility. Though we try to use minimum word, but every word has a meaning. Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Return this.
Yes, sir.
I can say that okay. Forward this. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Followed, sir.
Followed.
Yes, sir. Followed, sir.
The Jasim fellow is not there.
He's there, sir, but muted.
But not replying.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
So we take this electric field pattern because if you keep a positive charge, plus one charge, in which direction it will move? Plus one charge moves away, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. From which? Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Now
Understood, sir.
suppose there is a negative charge. It's a negative charge. The plus one charge will come towards this, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means electric field lines will converge on negative charge.
Negative charge.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Followed this.
Sir.
Followed, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir. Last.
Minutes. Done, sir.
Till here, any doubts are there, man?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Right. Right. We'll continue tomorrow morning. Okay. Go to
Okay,
that.
sir.
Be reading, man. You have to be. It will improve a lot. Second year, no. Only with maths you are planning to get the seat, huh?
No, sir.
If you have such ideas, I'll tell you. Even if you do the complete 25 out of 25 in mains, you get 100 percentile. Okay. Still, that means you should get another 140 marks from P and C. Okay, unless you get 240, you won't get good NITs with good branch, computer science and all. So this 140 in physics, chemistry means 70 average you should get, no? This is impossible event. You'll feel that because simple things you do, everything will be easy only, no? Intricacies of the subject will be known only if you delve into the deep into the ocean. If you go only, you will know what is there inside the ocean. You will get the pearls, oysters, all the valuable things are deep inside the ocean. No,
Yes,
when you
sir.
stand on the shore, you will feel nothing is there in ocean except salt water, and you feel the ocean is there is nothing. So unless you delve into the subject, doing all complicated things, you won't feel that what is the depth of that. Anyhow, keep working. This year be it's crucial. At least till November, we try to work out maximum physics part so that that fear should go away. Right then.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye bye.